Friends, it's Running Kimono, and oh my gosh, all of this candy is 90% off, and the Reese's was completely free with an IBC. I'm going to talk about that right off the bat. Walgreens, oh my gosh, and I'm going to show you exactly where I found those as well. We have the free pens with the digital coupon. This was a harder one to find, if I do say so myself, but I'll talk about where I found those. And then I did a little deal here. I had a spend 35 get back 7 along with a spend 20 get back 5 booster, so I got like almost $40 of merch to make that happen, and this was a $6 moneymaker after everything is said and done. If the IBOTTA rebates reset for these, I have the receipt hopefully in the next week. But like, what a great little haul. Like, this was all free for me today over at Walgreens. Like, hi. We have money making cat food over at Rite Aid, and then a free box of cereal over at Meijer. So weather report for you guys, it's about 78, kind of a scorcher today. And hi to my mom if she's watching. And Daisy says hello. Want to say hi, Daisy? She's busy in a meeting. Okay, so let's talk about Walgreens right off the bat. So I did this in store just to let you know, because a lot of you are like, can I do this curbside? And the answer to that is you gotta look for this in store. So in this store, if you go to the candy aisle, there is an end cap, which is like the end of the aisle. They have a display of stuff like, hey, check this out. And they have a lot of different candy that's 90% off. I saw it on Instagram last week, and I did look at 2 different stores, and both stores were cleared. So this third store that I sometimes go to, I'm like, I'm not even gonna look. But today I saw these ones, and so I got the cashier to scan them, and they were both ringing up for 49 cents each. There's a $1 IVC that reduces down to the cost of the product. So in Michigan, you don't even have to pay tax for this. That's how great it is. So these bags, you really have to pay attention. See how it says limited edition? Ultimate peanut butter lovers. So anything with the word love, if it's the bars or this, that's what it's working on. And these are peanut butter lovers miniature. This has more peanut butter, and this one has a bit of chocolate to it. And then I'm also noticing that it has to do with something with the Olympics. And the Olympic crest is on both of these products, so maybe that's why it's clearing out. I don't know. But I found all of this on an end cap. I got altogether about 11 of them. I had to load the IVC digitally because there was no IVC book, but it still worked beautifully even on 11 of them. So I would look through this, and it's only these ones that are like limited edition that have the word lover. I'll show you the UPC here in a second, but you might have to look through the display, because I know that at mine they had like pretzels, they had the regular miniatures, and then if you went a couple back, like a little bit deep, that's when these guys were showing up. So like, how wonderful is that? Both my mom and my husband really enjoy Reese's. So I'm gonna save these bags, and they don't expire till next March. So it is a wonderful treat for both of them. This was in fact tagged at my store, and it's these Twizzlers, and it is a pound of it, and it's just a mystery flavor. So like, what is it, like grape soda or something like that? They were 39 cents each. The original price point was $3.99, so I grabbed all 3. Could be on the lookout for some of this candy if you're in the store and this is the sort of stuff that you like. I know that the larger peanut butter lovers, king size, were part of it too, and there's an IVC for that. I mean, we never ever get this sort of candy completely for free. So load your IVC coupons and go and see, and don't be shy to ask the cashiers to price scan stuff for you, because you never know what things are ringing up for. And what a great little haul today. So I love all this stuff. Hey guys, so the next deal is with these Bic Gelocity. So it has to be this one or the mechanical pencils that are 3 off of 2 this week. This is a today only deal. With this 3 off of 2 digital, it basically makes it completely for free. Again, these pens exceptionally hard to find at Walgreens. I don't know why. You'd think they'd get more for a promotion like this, but not the case. But I still was able to find 2 of them, and I got them for free. Okay guys, so I had a basket booster, which was to spend $35, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. Plus I had a digital of spend 20, get back 5. So when you put those two together, they stack and there's a little bit of magic. So what I did was I did a video on this earlier today. These are $4 each. We have a 4 off of 2, and then you're gonna get back $4 of Walgreens cash, making these 2 for free. And the same promotion with a different coupon on the mouthwash. No toothpaste, because guys, I have so much toothpaste, I don't even wanna look at toothpaste. But this sort of stuff, I'm all about that. So $16 for the 2 brushes and 2 pastes. And then I get back $8 of Walgreens cash. These guys are $5.99, these guys are $5.99. So for the 4, it's $23.96. Adding all of this wonderful merchandise up together, it's $38.96. Now I had 2 $3 coupons from last weekend's insert for these 2. If you don't have that one, I know that we have a register reward. It's like a $6 off from the Tide deal last week or something like that. Throw that in, why not? And then I had a $3 digital for this one and a $3 digital for this one, a 4 off of 2 digital for that, and a 4 off of 2 digital for that. So all of the digital coupons came off. The new price point is $18.96, and I got back $25 in Walgreens cash. 7 for the booster, the paper one, 5 for the digital booster, 5 for this, and then 4 for this and 4 for this. So it made it free, plus a $6.04 moneymaker. I'm all about that. And if IBOTTA, the rebates reset for this, like $2 back for each of these and 2 for each of these, I'll keep my eye on it. That's some extra money for me. I have up to a week post that if it resets, I can submit for that. So how wonderful is that? So this is really this is really great. I mean, all this stuff was basically free today at Walgreens, so it was a really good morning, and I'm like tickled pink that I found 11 of those Reese's. How delicious. And if you like chocolate and peanut butter, this is just like the best little find. So now we're over at Rite Aid. I did this on my store card and then my husband's store card. Big shout out to Ravi. He mentioned this to me yesterday and he's like, hey, you might want to pick up these single cans of cat food because they're on a promotion that if you buy 2, you get back $5 of bonus cash, making it free plus a $1.31 moneymaker. And it's working with a variety of cat food and dog food, and I'm not sure if this was some sort of error or what, but I wanted to pounce on it, and I did it this morning on mine and my husband's store card, and it was like a $2.60 moneymaker per card. I was saying last week, I'm like, I think I'm done with Rite Aid for a bit. I don't want to, and then of course this has to show up the next week. So typically the way for me, but I still was able to make something happen. I still had a little bit of bonus cash on both store cards. This one is the Fancy Feast. I got chicken feast and gravy and the classic pate. So the purple one and the pink one. And you can do this twice per store card, so $5, $5, and then you're done. And then I also picked up the Friskies. I know the outdoor cats are really gonna like it. And these were, again, 87 cents. And I got this one, chicken dinner and gravy, and then the beef with gravy. So like 8 cans of cat food, moneymaker. I'm totally about that. If you can do this sooner than later, because they may pull it, they may not. But who really knows? Even if you don't have cats, a fabulous donation item for any shelter. I know they're always looking for food for the little kitties out there. We have a lot outside, and even inside, I know our cats are really gonna enjoy this. So yeah, very happy about these 8 cans. Store that we have is Meijer, and Meijer is a grocery store here in the Midwest. Please Google your location if you might have this grocery store. They do not have a sister store. So they released a free M-Perk for a free product this morning, and it is this box of apple cinnamon Chex Mix, 12 ounce, very, very specific. And it's 1 per store card. Load that M-Perk today only. And if you cannot track this down by next Saturday, if you call the Meijer line and say that your store didn't have any, perhaps they might credit you the price of this box, which is like $3.49, as a missed M-Perk. Sometimes they do that, because I know that this is going to be exceptionally hard to find, especially as the week progresses, because every store might have like 6 of them. So, but anyhow, it's still a little freebie, so good luck with that. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.